When you're looking to work on an amazing home remodeling project and are ready to team up with a crew that can help you get a job done, what's important to you? Reliability, professionalism, affordability, and most importantly, an experienced team that can get the job done right from start to finish. Well, look no further. Here at Got It Guys, our team of skilled professionals commit to execute your goals with precision and excellence. We are skilled in remodeling, wiring, carpentry, design, and superior customer service. Our professionals have over 40 years of experience in building dreams, and we know that your home and place of business is more than a project. It's a place where family, friends, and great memories are made. That's why we treat your gig like our very own. Our process is simple and seamless. We start by taking the time to evaluate your needs and create a cost-free analysis to achieve your desired goals. Next, we develop a work order that outlines every detail of your project. This includes the time, materials, skilled workers, and cost-effective budget needed for your project. And then we set up a time to go to work and make your project look amazing. It's that simple. So when you're thinking of a great remodeling project, wiring job for your home or place of business, custom carpentry project, dream design, or creative gig, think of us first. We got it, guys. Call us now and let's talk about your amazing project. 888-920-0059. That's 888-920-0059. You can also see our work online at www.gotitguys.co. That's www.gotitguys.co. Got a gig? We got it, guys.